Hello, this is Alex from BSC Designer. Let's talk about how our platform uses AI to facilitate strategy development and implementation. The most impressive feature that you can now ask AI to create a strategy for you. Let's give it a try. Here I have a blank scorecard with the 4 standard perspectives of the balanced scorecard framework. No goals, no KPIs, no initiatives. I will switch to the AI tab, review the data being passed to the AI as context, and click Start Chart button. My prompt for AI will be create a strategy for eco-group company dedicated to creating rooftop green gardens. AI responded with some suggestions that are quite reasonable given the limited context we provided. I can review the suggested goals, KPIs and initiatives and approve the ones I prefer. Let's click Execute All to approve them all at once. The suggested items were added to the scorecard. I can find them on the KPIs tab as well as on the strategy map. I can also ask AI to refine a goal, adding more specific sub-goals, metrics and initiatives. For example, let's give it a try. Add more sub-goals to enhance customer satisfaction goal and include more KPIs for the new sub-goals. Once again, the suggestions are quite reasonable. I approve them to update my scorecard. What else can AI do for us? We can ask it to analyze the existing strategy, suggest improvements, or even examine KPIs and performance data to detect correlations, trends, and anomalies. How can we improve the results? By providing more context to the AI. We can do this via this chart. We can help AI better understand the scorecard it's working on by updating its name and description. Finally, we can provide even more context on the strategy tab, where I can enter the company's mission, vision, and other supporting details. Last but not least, AI in BSC Designer is implemented following best practices in AI governance. We ensure transparency at every stage by giving users the ability to review the data sent to the AI before starting the chart. Any personal data is anonymized. AI is not used in the background, and all AI-generated responses require human approval before being added to the scorecard. You can start using the AI function with a free plan and upgrade to one of the paid plans if you need to scale your strategy scorecards.